that you?
It is me, yeah. How you
Ryan.
doing, bud? Dave, how you doing?
Dave,
Yeah.
wow. Dude, this is a great truck.
I brought a 1968 C10. Originally, it was a long bed. I found it in Fairmont, Georgia, pulled out of a barn, and it was all rusted. So then started tearing it down. Then I used all the original sheet metal from the cab forward, but then the bed of it is new.
This thing is gorgeous. It's such a beautiful mix. I always love this kind of style of the chrome, the polished aluminum wheels, but then mix it with the flat. What's the color?
It's original color, light green.
You gotta come up with some more fancy name than that. You know, like majestic green or like enchanted green. You know, there's always some weird name to make it sound exotic.
Seafoam or something like that. There you go.
Like that.
Yeah. It's a 383 stroker, aluminum heads. It's got the Tech fuel injection on it.
So for those of you who don't know, these are like a fuel injection that you can bolt on. They have all of the sensors, almost everything that goes into it, and then it self-maps, right?
Correct. Yeah, it learns as you drive it.
That's clean.
Thanks.
I would drive this every day. I could drive that and just beat it up really good. I could have this bed completely ruined by the time I got finished with it.
Right?
Nice truck, man. Great job.
Yeah, man. Thanks
for coming out.
What an amazing car, man. You built this?
Yes, sir.
Wow. That's a lot of horsepower in a small chassis.
Come on, let's go.
Where we at on time?
Come on, let's go. You guys are looking good, looking real good. Looking real good. Let's go.
Where we at on time?
24:53.
24 minutes and 53. The motor's together. 25 minutes. They did it. They did it. This is unbelievable. Took a motor completely apart and put it back together. Listen, I'm actually happy that they won, because I want to come to school.
Now, if that was the bet, you have to come to Cincinnati.
I'm coming. I guess I'll be going to Wanda.
There we go. Wanda, Georgia.
I hope they got good roads there, because I'll be there. See you later. Good job. So I found out that Motor Masters came up a little short on their fundraising to purchase a car for the local women's shelter. No problem.